Hi there, thanks for joining us. In this Repricer.com video, we're going to introduce you to our test mode feature. We are very aware that testing a new repricing tool or even a new repricing rule can be very stressful, and that's why we developed test mode. With test mode, you can reprice your products as normal. However, we will not upload the price changes to eBay or Amazon. By using test mode whenever you start with Repricer or are starting a new channel, you can have complete confidence in the end result before impacting your live listings. After you set up your account, if you want to move a channel into test mode, you can do this on the channel screen. Bring it up by going to Settings and then Channels. Test mode as a feature is available on Amazon and eBay, so choose either an Amazon or an eBay channel from here. Having opened a channel, go to the Repricer tab and you'll find the test mode option. Simply flick the toggle and hit save. And with test mode activated, no further uploads will go up to this channel until you turn it off. You'll also notice on the top right, you have a helpful reminder that one of your channels is in test mode. And that's just one more profit protection feature offered by Repricer.com. If you'd like to learn a bit more about some of the other features that we offer, please do explore some of the other videos we have here on the channel. If you haven't yet started your trial with Repricer, we offer one free for 14 days, no credit card required. Or why don't you get in touch and book a demo with one of our helpful team. Thanks for joining us today and have a great day.